Okay, gonna start a repairability test on 10 Deerfield Lane. Had a couple shingles that were missed due to during the initial inspection. That'll be fine. Hopefully we'll get this thing covered. But things like that were glossed over. We had an inspection date for Thursday at 2 and everybody showed up at 10 o'clock and we were not able to come back out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm using a flat bar instead of the roofing snake because the roofing snake causes more damage than fixes. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it like this. One more higher just in case. Okay, go ahead and get started. Looks like it doesn't have that extra nail right there. Great. Good news for us. All right, you see right there, I'm trying my best to angle the camera. It's above my head, but that right there, so I remove this nail, it tore just like that. It's very gentle. Maybe slam it back down, but it tore that shingle. We'll continue. Typically that's a fail. See how long that this nail has been getting exposed to water. That's causing leaks on the inside. Able to get that one out. Keep on going. Able to get that one out. Nice. We'll go back across. The nails on the top part. Yep. This is right here. Oh, see right there, that's the second tear. Still gonna have to get that nail out, so it's fine. That is the second tear on this shingle, on this repair. I'm still able to get the nail out. But again, just to reiterate, that constitutes a fail. All right, take this shingle out. We'll double check these. Looks like minimal mount transfer. Tore right here. Go ahead and flip this over just to see the back end, just show you a little easier what we're seeing whenever that nail doesn't come through. Again, that tore twice. I'm already starting to see. Looks like there's another layer of roof under this as well. So this roof is double layered. These nails are rusting away. It means they've been exposed to water a long time, and this was another one that was missed. I marked it with chalk, but another one that the initial inspection missed, that's 2 on the front slope, and I haven't even walked on this roof to double check their work. So just keep that in mind. We're gonna go back to putting this one back on. I like to make sure it matches up just like it was. Yeah, match the tar strip best we can. We don't want to leave her with any leaks after this point. Go ahead and start reinstalling the shingle. Flag keeps flying up, distracting me. We'll go above this one as well. Alright. Go back across. Trying to keep the shingle out of the way. That way I don't damage it too much. That's never fun. Look at that nail about to pop through. Also had some rust on it as well. Maybe we can give that a little assistance. Try my best to just reach it. All right. Resecured all the way across. We'll double check everything under here. Look like some mat transfer on this one. That tab's loose. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this glove off. I like to use the glove without putting too much pressure. Just brush off whatever extra granules we got from whenever we were applying pressure with the crowbar, with the hammer. That tab just flicked off. From the hammer, I had to go all around it. There's fireworks going on right there. That's crazy. God, so much are just coming off. Okay. So it's minimal. I don't know if you'll be able to see very well on the camera, but I'll be taking extra photos for you as well, so you can see that this repair, one, failed when I tried to pull the nails out. So we're already past the point of no return. Got granule loss on this front side. Again, I'll be tagging photos in there as well. That tab came flying off. That thing is not having a good day. Just being real easy, as easy as I can with these brittle shingles. Okay, so tore through on the nail on the underside. Little bit of mat transfer, also damage to the top part of the shingle. So again, when you take a step back and you look at it, we're gonna need to repair this shingle. That's gonna keep causing us to repair the shingles all the way up. Same with right here with the shingle that they missed. I mean, it's flat out torn right there. And you can see where the wind's been pushing that one up. That's a shingle they missed. I'll be going over this roof and I'll give it my inspection and upload some photos. But gonna have a lot of repairs right here where it is just ridiculous the amount of water that is just funneling through here. We're gonna have some damaged shingles that start out low, they're gonna end high. So I'm gonna go ahead and write fail. Oh, there's another little mark right there. Gonna go ahead and write fail, and then get to providing some photos for you guys. I'll see you on that end of it. And where's the stop button?